5 air fryer recipe ideas that can be easily cooked at home. Customized to suit your taste. 1. Crispy air fryer chicken wings. Toss chicken wings in a mixture of olive oil, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Arrange in a single layer in the air fryer basket and cook at 380 F for 25-30 minutes, flipping halfway through until golden and crispy. Serve with your favorite dipping sauce like buffalo, BBQ, or ranch. 2. Air fryer garlic parmesan Brussels. Sprouts. Toss halved Brussels sprouts with olive oil, minced garlic, grated Parmesan cheese, salt, and pepper. Arrange in the air fryer basket and cook at 375 F for 15-20 minutes until tender and crispy on the edges. Sprinkle with additional Parmesan cheese before serving. 3. Air fryer falafel patties. Blend chickpeas, garlic, onion, parsley, cumin, coriander, and a pinch of salt until combined but still slightly chunky. Form the mixture into small patties and place in the air fryer basket. Lightly spray with oil. Cook at 370 F for 12-15 minutes until golden and crispy. Serve with tzatziki sauce and pita bread. 4. Air fryer coconut shrimp. Dip peeled and deveined shrimp in beaten egg, then coat with a mixture of shredded coconut and breadcrumbs seasoned with salt and pepper. Arrange in a single layer in the air fryer basket and cook at 400 F for 8-10 minutes until golden and crispy. Serve with a sweet chili dipping sauce. 5. Air fryer stuffed bell peppers. Cut bell peppers in half and remove seeds and membranes. Fill each half with a mixture of cooked rice, black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, and shredded cheese. Place in the air fryer basket and cook at 375 F for 20-25 minutes until peppers are tender and filling is heated through. Garnish with chopped cilantro before serving. If you enjoyed this video, please like and follow.